Hi folks, I'm JJ from Goodwill of Southeast Georgia, and today I am in our Savannah outlet store and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks about how to shop here. So to tell you a little bit about what we do here, items that do not sell in our retail stores are shipped here to our outlet store where they are sold by the pound. So they stay in our store for a little while, and then if they don't sell there, really good deals can be found through these bins. Now our pricing structure here in the outlet is a little bit different. So you're going to be buying all of these items by the pound. Textiles are $1.38 a pound, and hard items and hard good items are 89 cents a pound. And anything else that's a larger item that has a price on it is priced as marked. Now folks, the first tip I have for you today is you want to make sure that you wear a good pair of gloves because you're going to be rummaging through these bins here, and you want to make sure that you keep your hands safe. American Eagle. That's Ralph Lauren bedding. This Hollister sweatshirt, I'm finding all kinds of stuff in here today. We've got these Calvin Klein capris and Taylor Loft jeans. My mother will love those. Folks, all of your purchases that you make today in our Goodwill Outlet store go to fund our mission, which is to help people with disabilities and other barriers to employment to live independently and become employed. So when you're shopping here at the pound store or in any of our Goodwill locations, that's what you're going to support, to help your friends and neighbors get back to work. Okay folks, let's see how much these name brand deals are going to cost us today.
That's going to be 6 pounds, 16 ounces, which equals $9.29. You like the round of today, sir?
Absolutely, make it $10.
Yes, sir.
Folks, we found some really great deals here today, but not only are these purchases going to go to help support our mission, but by shopping at Goodwill, you are also helping to divert over 16 million pounds of the items that would normally end up in a landfill.